Let me show you in this video how you can create a restore point inside of Windows just in case with any updates or changes that you did in your PC, something get broken or suddenly something doesn't work, so you can go back to the previous version where it was working. And to make that, you want to go into the search bar and you want to type restore. And the option of create a restore point is going to pop up. You want to click on it. When the small settings windows get open, you are going to have some different things right here. Is to restore your system from previous backups or restore points that you have already done. The other option that you have is to configure the restore settings. I recommend you guys that you click right here, that you turn on system protection. That is going to create sometimes automatically some restore points for you, and that you change right here how much space you allow Windows to use in your system. I recommend you at least 10 gigabytes, a little bit more will be better, but this is a good start. And right here, if you have any restore points already on this drive, you can click into delete to remove them all and they don't take so much space in your PC. If you want to create a restore point right now, because you're going to change something in the PC or one update, you want to click right here where you see create. You want to type a description, you can type something, like for example the date of the day that you're making it, or any changes that you want to do into the system. This is only an example right here. And you want to click into create. This is going to create the restore point and save all of your settings and everything how you have Windows right now. As you can see, the restore point was created successfully. You want to close this, and now if you want to go back, as I said before, you click into system restore, click into next, and right here you're going to see when you created the description that you wanted and if it was manual or because of a Windows update. You want to click into next, and then this is going to restore your PC. And that's the end of this tutorial, guys. If you enjoyed, don't forget to drop a like into the video and to subscribe to the channel for more content like this one. See you guys on the next time. Bye bye.